Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today. Yet another installment in the hashtag summer salad series.
Yay!
And this one is for broccoli salad.
Ooh.
And it's so good. Usually on pizza night, which is tonight, I either make some steamed broccoli with garlic or I do a Greek salad. But today I'm shipping them and we're having some broccoli salad.
I ship that.
It's very simple, it's raw, it's going to be delicious, so let's get started. Basically, I took a 2-pound bag from Sam's Club of broccoli and I made it into bite-sized pieces, which means get rid of these things because you don't want to eat those raw. So you could steam those and put them on a salad, or steam them and put them in with your mashed potatoes or something like that, or make veggie patties out of those. Don't throw them out though because
you still use them.
Delicious and good and cost money. So we've got what's left of the 2 pounds here. We have 1 red onion that I cut up already, because you want a little bite in your salad. Give it a little interest. We've also got some dried cranberries. If you don't like dried cranberries, you can use dried raisins or raisins.
I was gonna say, what's a dried raisin?
And I've got some Bacos here. Now you're saying to yourself, that's not vegan, is it? It sure is. It's just textured vegetable protein that's flavored with bacon flavoring. And it is 100% vegan. If you don't like this in the jar, you know, the Bacos, try the Light Life bacon. Cook it up and chop it up like little bacon crumbles. But that's going to give another depth of flavor. It's going to add a little interest in there. And over here in the toaster, I was just toasting my sesame seeds. So we've also got some sesame seeds that we're going to throw in there. Make sure you toast them. I'm sorry, sunflower.
I was going to say, this is the biggest sesame seeds I've ever seen.
It's been a long summer. My brain is fried. Now this is the salad part. We're going to put together the dressing rather quickly. Normally a broccoli salad would call for mayonnaise dressing, but we're going to do a vinaigrette. So we've got some EVOO, E-V-O-O,
yeah,
extra virgin olive oil in here. We're going to add some apple cider vinegar to that. We're also going to add some sugar. I'm using the monk fruit sweetener, some Himalayan sea salt, and granulated garlic. And the reason why I'm using the granulated garlic instead of, say, fresh garlic, when you eat raw garlic in a salad, sometimes it can be a little bit rough on your stomach. So I find that the granulated garlic has just as much, if not more, great flavor, and a dog toy. And it's not going to wreck your stomach. So that's why I use that instead of real garlic. Well, not real garlic, but fresh garlic, raw garlic.
Oh, wait, what?
That's why I use that instead of raw garlic. And we're going to also add some Dijon mustard. Yeah.
Gross.
But it tastes great.
Yeah, it does.
And I got it all over my shirt.
No.
Yeah. We're just going to give it a quick shake. And it's done.
Wow.
So after we pour this on the salad and give it a good toss, we're just going to let this sit in the fridge for about an hour. Because this is going to work, well, that's not going to fit, is it?
No.
This is going to work kind of like a ceviche, where it's going to like break down the broccoli a little bit, the apple cider vinegar will, so that it's not like completely raw, but it's still raw. You know, it's just going to take some of the bite off of it. I'm doing too much here. I just don't want this to go everywhere, so let's check back after it's marinated for a little bit. It's dinner time, and that has been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour.
So it's all in there.
Yeah, I just gave it a good mix, gave it a good toss. I think this is one of those salads, you can see the volume has gone down too quite a bit. This is one of those salads that the longer it hangs around and the flavors marry each other, they have more and more delicious flavor, children.
I like that a lot.
Awesome.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's a little something different.
Yeah, I like that.
It's better than steamed broccoli, and it's something different from the Greek salad.
Dad said he likes it too.
Oh, he does? Well, he just tested it on the vlog channel.
I like the sweetness with the broccoli.
Yeah, and the little bite of the onion.
Yes.
Yeah,
Definitely.
and it doesn't have any heavy mayo in it either, so it's very light. It's fresh. It's perfectly paired
lovely.
with some pizza. Pizza not included.
No.
Sorry, if you make the
You gotta
broccoli
add that
salad,
part.
you gotta add your own pizza. You gotta bring your own pizza, BYOP. Alright, so there you have it. She said she liked it.
Hope you guys try it because it's really good and it's good for you.
So subscribe for more. And until next time, much love.